All right, today I am using this chance with nice weather to fix the truck. The truck's actually the reason we didn't make it to the last race, because I went to go pick it up from 9 Lives Racing, and about 10 miles from home it developed a misfire. Turns out a handful of the old spark plug connectors decided to stop holding on to the coil packs, so I've got some replacement ones. Basically, you just order some of these on the internet. If you've never replaced these before, figure out I'd teach somebody something. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. Doesn't require like a 38-minute video on showing you how to do it. Basically, you order the correct connector for your vehicle, whether it's a truck, car, whatever. It's all kind of the same thing. This is the old one. So if you look inside, see if I can get it to focus. This little clip holds on to the fuel or the ignition coil. Did I say injectors? Ignition coil. Anyway, this old one used to have a little barb down in there, and it's pretty impossible to see. Let's see. So you can see there used to be a little clip that would engage with the clip on the ignition coil. That won't hold anymore. Zoom back out a bit. So I can literally plug this in and pull it straight back off the ignition coil. Like, that's as far down as it's going, and literally just pull and it comes right off. So that has, because these are vibrating off when the engine's running, that's causing ignition issues. Basically had the same thing happen with the fuel injectors not too long ago. So done this before. Basically what we're gonna do, sever these wires. I'm gonna splice in the new ones. Just make sure that you put them the same direction. So if you look at the way these are set up, my red wire is gonna be what is now the orange wire. And then my black wire will be the red one with the green stripe on it. So we're just going to splice these, put some heat shrink on them, and heat them up. Alright, now in the event that you don't have tools, if you're on the side of the road trying to do this, which I basically am because all my stuff is in my race car trailer, I'm going to show you how to do this in a more extended length video. Got the new terminals clipped on, and done.